Our cultural and natural heritages are both irreplaceable sources of life and inspiration. List of 7 Wonders of the World of UNESCO only defines the masterpieces of human creative genius, but through this article, we are giving the perplex of nature which cannot be imagined by any human being. Number 1. Living Root Bridges, India. Generally, bridges are made up of wood, steel or concrete, but special cases occur in India in the form of unique bridge that was not built by human. Living Root Bridges of Meghalaya, which root made bridge of Ficus Elastica that can bear the weight of 50 people at once and 30-meter long.
Number 2. Lonar Crater Lake, India.
Lonar Lake is the world's largest and only hypervelocity impact crater in basaltic rock, which is named after the demon, Lonasura. The incredibility of the lake remains mysterious to the NASA Geologist. On lake is alkaline and saline at the same time, support microorganisms rarely found elsewhere on the Earth, and compasses fail to work in certain parts of the crater.
Number 3. Antelope Canyon, Arizona, USA. It was formed by erosion of Navajo sandstone, primarily due to flash flooding and secondarily due to other subaerial processes. During summer, some curved parts of Antelope Canyon beautifully reflect light, and light beams can be seen in other canyon locations, especially in the upper canyon. The range of Antelope Canyon's walls is 1 to 3 meters, 3.2 to 9.8 feet wide, and run up to 50 meters, 6.5 to 164 feet deep, and the upper canyon sits 1,219 meters, 4,000 feet above sea level, and the walls are 36.5 meters, 120 feet tall. Number 4. Jeju Island, South Korea.
It is also known as Inkwat, Island of the Gods, and Kwat is a popular spot for vacationers and honeymooners. Sea women, rapeseed fields, and the world's longest lava tube made the island popular.
Number 5. Yellowstone, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, USA.
It is the world's first national park consisting of various volcanoes' hidden power that rises up in colorful hot springs, mud pots, and geysers. It is situated at the high elevated lakes in North America and is centered over the Yellowstone caldera, the largest supervolcano on the continent. The caldera is considered an active volcano. Lava flows and rocks from volcanic eruptions cover most of the land area of Yellowstone.
Number 6. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia.
It is the world's largest coral reef and also larger than the Great Wall of China and the only living thing on Earth visible from space. It is a breeding area for humpback whales, migrating from the Antarctic, and is also the habitat of a few endangered species including the dugong, sea cow, and large green sea turtle.
Number 7. Mendenhall Ice Caves, Alaska.
It is the glacier and surrounding landscape which is protected as the 5,815-acre Mendenhall Glacier Recreation Area, a federally designated unit of the Tongass National Forest. It has a very unique ecosystem, and the area is extremely popular for fishing.
Number 8. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam.
It consists of 1,600 limestone monolithic islands and home to 14 endemic floral species and 60 endemic faunal species. In 2000, the UNESCO's World Heritage Committee has inscribed the Ha Long Bay in the World Heritage List according to its outstanding examples representing major stages of the Earth's history and its original limestone karstic geomorphologic features.
Number 9. Lake Hillier, Australia.
It lies just next to the Pacific Ocean, thus if you watch it from above, the contrast between the mellow pink of the lake and the blue of the ocean is striking. It is about 10 times saltier than the ocean. The salinity attracts salt-loving algae and archaea that bear a pink hue.
Number 10. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan.
It is also known as the Gate to Hell, the Crater of Fire, Darvaza Crater. It is a natural gas field in Derwiz, Turkmenistan, that collapsed into an underground cavern in 1971, becoming a natural gas crater. It has largest gas reserve in the world.